Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to talk about gold. What's going on with gold, and what can we expect from gold in 2022? So, as you can see, we have this gold in a downtrend. But if you look at the left side of the market, if you look at the history and if you look at this chart in a big picture, you can see we had this uptrend here. It had started since 2018 and it ended in August 2020. So what we have this good support area at 1,700 or 1,700 dollars, and we can consider all of this inside the trading range, because the market, if you look at it, we are always in some kind of a trading range in most cases, and you can consider it like this. And if you consider all of this movement, all of this downtrend as a correction of this major trend, okay, I have to set the levels. Okay, we're legit. Okay, as you can see, we had this correction. It had this 38% correction at this level. Sorry. So, and it didn't went any further. So at this point, we have this support and we have this resistance, and we can't expect in short term to see the gold price above this 2000 level and below this what do you call it, below this one sorry, above this 2000 level and below this 1700 level. But inside this so-called trading range, we have a lot of patterns like this one, which is a double bottom, and it could make good profit. You have a lot of reversal and resumption patterns like flags and other stuff. We have channels, we have trends, we have trading range, we have wedges, and a lot of things. But at this point, I consider this as a bearish channel, and I draw a bearish channel for it. As you can see, we have price inside this bearish channel. We had this lower tops and lower bottoms here, and you should remember this, that if you want to have a if you want to consider the price in a trading range or any kind of channel, yeah, you need to have at least 2 tops and 2 bottoms. So yes, so if you see it as a channel, so it means that we buy at bottoms and sell at highs. So but I also consider some levels for this, for some distribution areas and levels for this, because as you can see we had several lot of reactions to this level. So there's something going on at this level. You know, there's some reason for that. There should be some reason for that. And at this level, price can't go any further. So if you wanna set an order and have a position, it's better and more safe if you put your take profit at these levels, like this one, as a support area. So as you can see, we have signal bar. It could be your entry bar. You know, the first one is your signal bar, and the question is, when should we enter the position? And the answer is whenever we had 1 ATR engulfing, whatever. Okay, there's something wrong. So it's a fucking channel, motherfucking channel, and if you wonder when you should enter the position, I would say, okay, first of all you have to see a signal bar here, and after that put entry bar, and the more it's a bigger, the more it's a big strong bar, the more legit this entry bar could be for you. And you can also see it in lower time frames, and for example, if there's any pattern, you can consider this as a head and shoulder, for example, which is a reversal pattern, and here you have a good breakout. But I set my stop, I set my position, my, what do you call it, order at this level, under this tail of this candle. I think when I set this order there wasn't any bar, because it was one, it's for yesterday, and it's for last week, my order. Anyway, if price crosses this level, I will enter the position, and I put my take profit at this area, and my stop loss above this high, and my risk to reward ratio is less than 1.5, which is not good, but you have to sacrifice your risk to reward ratio if you want to have a good winning rate. So what about lower time frames, like 1 hour time frame? In this time frame we still can see the head and shoulder pattern, and you can also draw a trend line like this, not this specifically, but I don't know what there is wrong with this shit, but okay. And if you draw it like this, it's already happened, and this one is your pullback. But also we can't consider it consider it as a reversal yet. After all, it could be a trading range, for example. Yeah, I admit it's not legit anymore as a bullish trend, but just because it's not bullish doesn't mean that it's bearish. It can be a trading range. As you can see here, we have this supported price here at this point, and here again. So if you wanna sell short, take a sell short position, you have to wait after you see a breakout under this level. I actually set 2 positions. I told you about the first one, and what about the second one? Second one, I put my TP at this level and my stop loss, my entry point is at this level. Actually, I can't remember what was the reason for that, but I don't know. But if you wanna enter at this level, you wanna put your stop loss, set your stop loss beyond this area, because you don't wanna get out of the position and because of a shadow or by a shadow. You can see it in 5-minute time frame if you're a day trader, and as I said, you can consider it as a trading range. It is a trading range, and you can buy it at this point and make money. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions and suggestions, you can just share it with me, and I think it's enough for now. Goodbye.